Hey everyone, we love breaking out the power tools any chance we get. Now we know a lot of you are like that as well, so in this video, we're going to show you a simple and fun way to carve pumpkins using power tools. Here's what you'll need: your pumpkin, a jigsaw, a drill with a variety of bits and a hole saw, a drywall knife, a hand beater mixer, a jack-o'-lantern design, and carbon paper. We'll start by cleaning out the pumpkin. Using your drywall knife, cut a pilot hole a few inches away from the stem. You can use the knife to carve a hole all the way around the stem, but where's the fun in that? Grab your jigsaw and place the blade into the pilot hole, cutting all the way around the stem. Way easier than cutting it by hand. Now grab the stem and remove the top of the pumpkin. Use the drywall knife to cut off all the excess. The tradition of scraping out all the slimy pumpkin guts with a spoon is a bit of a hassle, so here's how to get around that. Take your hand beater mixer and run the beaters all along the inside of the pumpkin. They'll scrape off all the gunk and save you a ton of elbow grease. Dump the guts into a bowl and quickly scrape anything the mixer couldn't get. Now it's time to draw our jack-o'-lantern design on the pumpkin. If you'd rather not freehand it, lay some carbon paper on your pumpkin and place a design over top. Trace the design so it transfers onto the surface of the pumpkin. Cutting out the design takes a bit more precision and focus, so be sure you're operating the tools safely. And be careful not to apply too much pressure. You don't want to crush your pumpkin. When you're ready to begin cutting, grab your drywall knife and poke a few pilot holes throughout the design. You can then use the jigsaw and simply follow the lines. Jigsaws are great at cutting curves and complex shapes, so it should be a breeze. Follow the designs all the way around and then push out the shapes. If your design calls for any large circles to be cut out, such as the eyes, you'll want to use your drill and a hole saw to make quick work of them. For smaller circles, like freckles, use drill bits that will cut to the right size. Once you're done, place a small candle in your jack-o'-lantern and you're good to go. Don't forget to clean your tools thoroughly to avoid the pumpkin mess getting caked on. Thanks for watching. If you try this for yourself, we'd love to see what you come up with. Be sure to share any photos or videos with us on our Facebook page. And always remember to be careful when using power tools in any situation. Hit the subscribe button along with that little bell so you can be notified every time we release a new video.